Welcome to Baron. My name is Carsten Fjeldsø, I'm the CEO of Baron, and it's all about our portable conveyors. Our conveyors have been very popular because of the very solid construction. Thanks to the cooperation with Stratio in Portugal, we can collect all these data, put them in the cloud. They have a software, we can separate the data, all these data into the different end users and make all this information available for them at their computer.
Our company, Stratio, is supporting Baron to create smart conveyors. This project integrates Baron conveyors with an IoT device capable of reading and streaming real-time data from the conveyor control unit. We developed firmware and product changes in the Stratio IoT device. Now, Baron conveyors are ready to communicate to the cloud. The web dashboard allows Baron to provide accesses new accounts to their customers so they can have access the information from the smart conveyors, from location to sensor data indicating how and when it has been operating. Creating smart conveyors allows Baron to bring its industry into the future.